What's up friends, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check if your booking.com account is verified. Now all you have to do once you sign in is click your profile on the upper right hand side and go to my account. Now scroll down under where you have the manage account and click the personal details, and once you do so you'll be under the personal details section. Now you want to look for the email address, and if it shows verified right next to it, it simply means that that's what you have to do to verify. Other than that, you can simply go ahead and if you want to verify your email, you can just basically change the email, click save, and what it's going to do is going to send a code to your email address or verification code. You can open up your email, and once you do so, you'll be able to get that code. You can quickly enter that. So as you can see, let me go to my updates here. There's going to be a code that I receive from booking. As you can see here in this email, I can copy that and I should be able to just quickly paste that in here and go ahead and click on verify. As you can see, it is done. The email already exists. It simply means that the account is verified already. And so if I even go ahead and refresh it, it will show that it is verified. Right, so if you want to verify your email, that's how you do it. If you want to change it, and on top of that, if you want to check if it's verified, this is how you check it as well, under the settings, personal details, and you can find it under emails.